don't know if you guys can see what I see, but that's a baby bird. It's a little tiny, tiny baby bird begging for food. Like literally looking at the camera. I don't know what's going on with you. Oh, poor little thing. And I'm here at Jack in the Box. Oh, okay. Hey, all right. There go the mom and dad. Y'all better feed y'all baby. Don't attack me. Oh, y'all about to go on the corners. Next thing you know, come down and jump me. Well, that's the end. Hey, it's right there. I don't want your baby. Oh my gosh. What a day.